Let's go over these multiple choice questions about the cell membrane. Here's the easy one. Which of the following is not a component of the plasma membrane? So this is an easy question because it's just basically looking at have you memorized the components of a phospholipid bilayer. So let's look at our answers. A, phospholipids. That's in a membrane. Proteins. That's definitely in a membrane. Nucleic acids. That is not in a membrane. D, cholesterol. That's in a membrane. E, carbohydrates like sugars that attach to the phospholipids, which is a part of the membrane. So that's not the answer. This is why C is the correct answer. Here's the medium one. The phospholipid molecules of most membranes have blank. If I look at each of my answers, they're looking at the description that they're giving the head of the phospholipid and how many and the description of the tails. Remember that a phospholipid is going to have two major parts. It's going to have some type of head and these fatty acid tails. Now, since the tails are a lot of carbons and hydrogens, they're going to be non-polar. And since the phospholipid head is going to have a phosphate group, it's going to be very polar. That means the head here is going to be hydrophilic, while the tail is going to be hydrophobic. And if we read through our answers, C is the best answer because it says a hydrophilic head, and there's one of them, and two hydrophobic tails. Here's the hard one. Which molecules can most easily cross the cell membrane without help? Now I'll admit this isn't a really difficult question, but it's just looking at do you know what type of molecules and what characteristics they have that can pass the membrane easily. And remember that small non-polar molecules can pass the membrane more easily than like large proteins, large RNA molecules. Charged ions have trouble passing through, and again, large polysaccharides also have trouble passing through. And again, this is why D is the right answer.